We have pictures from a few moments ago to tell a little about this meeting, this two-day visit of the Prime Minister. India has spoken about the fact that India-Maldives joint vision for a comprehensive economic and maritime security partnership. This is going to be on the focus, really. It's a joint vision. The Prime Minister being welcomed by President Muzo himself. There would be inauguration of India-assisted development projects in this island nation. Various memorandums of understanding would be signed as well between India and the Maldives during the Prime Minister's visit. The Prime Minister's visit is extremely important. It marks a significant reset of bilateral ties that had come under severe strain after Muzo, known for his pro-China leanings, had become the president, remember, in the month of November in 2023. It's a turnaround in the relationship in that sense, with India working hard on the ties with the island nation. Nahuda is, in fact, continues to be with us. Nahuda, like I just mentioned for our viewers, this obviously is a bit of a reset that India is also looking at, given that things changed. Also, the current president's leanings towards China and his pro-China stance, which in many ways distance India from Maldives, isn't it?
Yeah, like you said, President Moise is sort of labeled as a pro-China president, since he was also elected on an India Out platform, pushed for withdrawal of Indian military personnel, reposition in the Maldives closer to China over from 2023 to 24. All Indian troops were withdrawn and replaced by civilians. But by late 2024, I think both sides began a reset. Indian ministers visited Male, and resignations of the controversial Maldivian ministers were also accepted with the conflict that carried out. And I think a diplomatic thaw began, and economic diplomacy also followed by that. We saw currency swaps, lines of credit, and infrastructure help during runway and bridge projects tied to India's neighborhood first policy. So during this visit, like I mentioned before, it is quite a symbolism of reset, because Prime Minister Modi is the first foreign leader to visit under President Moizu. His role as a guest of honor at the 60th Independence Day underscores diplomatic reset. And in my opinion, I think Maldives has always maintained an India first foreign policy too, despite periodic swings, and sees this visit positively.